There are about 700,000 police officers in the United States. They work for different kinds of police departments. They work for state, city, and county police forces. These forces can be very big, like the New York City Police Department. There are over 34,000 police officers in New York. Scott Kenzel is a police officer in the borough of Allendale, New Jersey. He works for the New Jersey State Police. It is a small police force. It only has 4,500 police officers. Scott usually works during the day, but sometimes he works at night. On a day shift, he starts work at 7 o'clock in the morning. He works until 5 o'clock in the evening. On a night shift, he starts at 9 o'clock in the evening and works until 7 o'clock in the morning. He usually works 40 hours a week. Like all American police officers, Scott wears a special uniform. He keeps his uniform here, in his locker. In the summer, he wears black boots, black pants, a safety vest, and a black shirt. In the winter, he wears the same clothes, but he has a warmer jacket. Scott has a lot of equipment. He wears a radio so he can always be in contact with his command center. He also carries a baton, a gas spray, and a pair of handcuffs. Scott also carries a gun. All American police officers have guns. Every day, Scott leaves the police station and goes on patrol. He usually patrols in a black and white police car. Scott does a lot of work in his car. He uses a computer and a radio. Being a police officer is difficult, but there's a lot of variety. Scott works in the office and out on patrol. It's also a very important job.
New York, Foxtrot Zulu.
Every day, Scott catches criminals and keeps New Jersey safe.